In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME record in Crazy Domains. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to avoid the most common CNAME mistakes so your domain points exactly where you want it. A quick refresher before we start, a CNAME record maps one hostname to another hostname. It's perfect when you want something like www or app to point to a service hosted elsewhere. It must point to a domain name, not an IP address, and it shouldn't be used on the root of your domain. Start on your Crazy Domains homepage and look for the hosting section. This is your gateway to DNS controls in this platform. Click Hosting to open up the area where domain-level services are managed. If you don't immediately see your domains, don't worry. This is just the main landing area for anything hosting or DNS related. Next, select DNS hosting. This takes you into the tools specifically designed to manage DNS records such as CNAME, and MX. DNS hosting is where you create, update, or remove records for your domain, so getting into this section is essential before you can add a CNAME. On the hosting page that appears, click the Activate Now button. This step ensures DNS hosting is enabled for the domain you want to manage. Activation turns on the DNS zone so you can add records. If your DNS was already active, you may see a Manage Style screen instead. Either way, the goal here is to get into the DNS zone so you can create the record. Once you're in, use the search bar and type your CNAME. Here's what that means in practice. Enter the host name, also called the label, you want to create. Common examples include WP or login. This is the part that will appear before your domain. Make sure you're not trying to set a CNAME on the root of your domain, as standard DNS does not allow a CNAME there. Also double-check the target you plan to point to. It must be a fully qualified domain name provided by your service, not an IP address. You don't need to add a trailing dot. Most systems handle that for you. When everything looks good, click Activate to confirm and apply the change. This saves the CNAME record to your DNS zone. If there's already a record with the same name, remove or adjust that first to avoid conflicts, since a name can't be both an A record and a CNAME at the same time. After saving, allow time for DNS propagation. Many updates appear within minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours globally. That's it. You've added a CNAME in Crazy Domains.